Experiencing a blank infotainment screen in your Nissan Altima? It's a common issue, especially in 2019-2023 models, but often fixable. The main culprits are power-related problems, blown fuses, or software glitches. First, try a hard reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen restarts or flashes. For touchscreen models, try entering diagnostic mode by holding the volume plus and bass buttons while turning the key to the on position without starting the engine. Remember that Nissan has issued OTA, over-the-air updates to fix many common software bugs. Ensure your Nissan Connect Services app is up to date to receive these fixes automatically. Keep in mind that voltage drops below 10.5 volts can also prevent boot up. Also be aware that as of 2025, 70% of issues are resolved by app updates. However, some might still require a hardware check. If that doesn't work, proceed to the next step. If a hard reset doesn't work, check the infotainment system's fuse. It's usually in the engine bay fuse box, labeled IPDM or infotainment. Look for a 10 to 15 AT fuse, typically fuse 17 or 18. If the problem persists, it might be faulty wiring, a failing BCM, or corrupted software. For deeper diagnostics, use an OBD2 scanner to check for ECU errors. If issues continue, especially in pre-2019 models with hardware degradation or post-2020 models with supply shortages, consult a certified technician. Remember, according to J.D. Power's 2025 study, infotainment systems are a common pain point, so you're not alone.